So guys, let me show you a simple way of sewing a gather skirt, whether for a child or for an adult. As always, it's your girl Ua Apparel. Kindly hit the subscribe button and let's get started. So I have here my very colorful Ankara print fabric, which I've already cut out, and this is me opening it up so you can see. So I've also joined it together at the middle area. I actually cut out two pieces of fabric, and I'm going to be showing you the length of this fabric which I'd cut out. Okay, so the length for this is about 2 yards and 16 inches. So the measurement I'm taking now is for the first yard, which is 36 inches, and then the second is also a measurement of 36 inches, and then I have extra to 16 inches. Okay, so it is 2 yards and 16 inches of length. So please take note that this particular gather skirt I'm making is for a child. Okay, and the measurement required to make this is simply your waist circumference and the length of the skirt. So for the width, I have 12 inches of length. Like I said, it is a gather skirt for a 5-year-old baby. Okay, so the width there is 12 inches, while the length of the material is 2 yards and 16 inches. So at one side of the border of our fabric, you can see me making a fold now in two, and I'll go ahead to run my stitches all the way to the end. Okay, and after I was done, this is what we have. I've already stitched the border or the hem of our skirt. So next, I'm going to be running loose stitches around that portion I am indicating with my finger. And now I'm simply pulling on one of the strings so as to be able to make my gathers. Okay, so ensure that you do this very carefully. So while pulling on my thread, it actually got caught and I had to finish this up off camera. Okay, so ensure that you pull your thread very carefully. So this is what we have after I was done making my gathers around the waist portion there, and the length is 17 inches. So ensure that your gather is equal with the length of the waist round. Okay, and I have my piece of fabric here which I'm going to be using for the waistband. It is 5 inches, while in a fold it is 2.5 inches. So I'll go ahead now to attach this to the gather portion there, as you see me indicate with my fingers. So next, I have my skirt fabric already in a fold. Okay, as you can see, after attaching our band, you can see it looking very fine already, neatly done. So I'm folding it in place right now. I'm folding it in two, and I'm going to be closing it halfway so as to be able to attach a zipper on the side. Okay, so from that portion there is where I'm going to be stitching it down, and the last and final thing I'm going to be doing is attaching my zipper to the opening there. You can see the way I am attaching or holding in place my zipper, and you might wonder why is the zipper longer outward around the waist area there. It is because I'm going to be folding it back after trimming it a little bit So I'm going to also be folding it back into the fabric portion, okay? And then we're going to have our perfect gather skirt ready. So guys, if at this point you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Be a part of this community, be a part of this family. We love you here. So I'll go ahead now to run my stitch, and this is what we have after I was done. So that portion there that is long, you can see me trimming it out first, and then I'm going to be folding it back into the fabric portion. So just see what I'm doing right now. You can see me folding it back into the fabric, and I'll go ahead to run my stitch on the other one as well. And so with this, we have come to the end of today's tutorial video, and this is the final look of my gather skirt, looking very beautiful.